Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your wallet and the Prismatic network connection. First, add a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, then import or create your account. Once done, switch RPC to Prismatic and verify you can view balances. Next, send a small amount of ETH or the native token for gas so transactions don't fail. Make sure token lists are enabled so the Tether token appears. Finally, confirm network settings and gas limits before moving to bridging or swaps. You now bridge US to Prismatic or swap on-chain depending on availability. Choose a reputable bridge that lists Prismatic and US, connect your wallet, and select source chain and destination. Approve the spending allowance when prompted. This is required so the bridge can move your funds. Then initiate the transfer and review gas and time estimates. Once you submit, watch the transaction hash in the bridge UI. You'll see multiple confirmations before funds appear in your Prismatic wallet. You finish by confirming Tether arrived and securing your position. Check your wallet balance, and if UST is invisible, manually add the token contract address from a reliable source. If the bridge appears stuck, copy the transaction hash and inspect confirmations on the Explorer. Sometimes a pending state resolves with more confirmations. If a transaction failed, you may need to increase gas and retry or contact bridge support with the TX hash. Always double-check addresses to avoid irreversible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.